hit the subscribe button, which I said from the beginning, you know. So here I put this at the front of the video. So when you can know if you click subscribe as the video start. See? Right. Hey guys, welcome back to the Dinner One podcast. This is your boy Quandino. Hope you guys are doing good. Alright, anyway, so we have a debate. Definitely not who's the best football team in La Liga, because obviously Barcelona is going downhill. Anyway, there's a huge debate about, well, it's not really a huge debate, it's just a comparison between Massacre 438 album and Alkaline's album. Who has the best album? Now, I really don't know who to say have the best album. If I was to go ahead and pick offhand, I'll say Massacre, right? And to be honest, I can't really use my judgment and say, okay, it's going to be Massacre because I'm a Massacre fan just as well. So probably because I'm a Massacre fan, I'm going to say like, hey, Massacre have a better album than Alkaline. But I've heard the songs and I think personally that Massacre have a better storyline and a better structured album than Alkaline. But don't get me wrong, I'm not taking anything away from Alkaline. Alkaline's a great artist, you understand? So let me know in the comment section who you guys think have the best album between Alkaline, boom, and Massacre, boom. Alright, yeah, close that, boom, shut it down. Alright, so today is the Champions League and Barcelona. Juventus won, Chelsea lost. Well, they didn't lose, it was a 3-3 draw. Bayern Munich and Barcelona. Well, the good thing is Barcelona never lose horribly like how them did 2-3 years ago against Bayern Munich. So applause for that. But however, man, come on, man, something is wrong with Barcelona and we can't figure out what it is. We can't figure out what it be. Can't figure out what it is right now. Right now, Barcelona coming like finding Nemo. Right now, we're finding Barcelona. Because Barcelona lost. Barcelona gone. We don't know where Barcelona dead. Barcelona damaged. Them have Xavi over there. And I know it's going to take a time for Xavi kind of like get everything together. You see me? Because the man, they are tiki-taka footballer. You see me? The man, Iniesta. But in a long and short run, I'm gone. You see me, Barcelona is missing in action. Barcelona need to step up them game. So I'm gonna leave a comment down below and tell me what you think can help Barcelona. You see me, and leave a comment down below and let me know who have the better album. You see me, Massacre or Alkaline. I don't want a hypocrite fan. I come tell me say, oh, a Massacre man, Fort Jenna. You remember Fort Jenna? Your name? Genocide or Vendetta. Be honest, if you're an Alkaline fan and you know say Massacre album is better, say it. If you're a Massacre fan and you know Alkaline album is better, say it. Don't be a hypocrite, okay? Do not be a hypocrite. See me? So here hit the subscribe button, which I said from the beginning, you know. So here I put this at the front of the video. So when you can know if you click subscribe as the video start. See? So soon in our next video, Dinner One podcast. Big up on yourself.